Hi everyone and welcome to another video of my channel. Today I'm gonna explain to you how to create this nice flower pattern on your 3x3 cube. So to explain this to you I have to start with a solved cube, so let me get one. So creating this pattern actually is a combination of the donut pattern and the checkerboard pattern. It's super simple, so just rotate the middle layer once. Flip the cube, rotate it again, flip the cube, rotate it again, flip the cube, and for the last time. You can rotate it. As you can see, you now have the donut pattern on your 3x3 cube. And to continue to create the flower, you do not rotate the middle layer once, but you do that twice. 1, 2, again flip the cube, 1, 2, and now it's a bit different. You flip the cube towards yourself, 1, 2, and now you created a nice flower completely over your 3x3 cube. I hope this tutorial helped you, and I also hope to see you next time in my new video. Bye!